Hello and welcome to the channel. Medicine and You today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about topics in skincare, glutathione. You've probably seen it advertised everywhere, from pills to injections, all promising brighter, more even-toned skin. But what's the real science behind it? Is it a miracle ingredient or just another trend? And most importantly, is it safe? As a medical professional, I want to cut through the noise and give you a comprehensive, evidence-based look at glutathione, covering its benefits, risks, and the reality of what you can expect. We'll discuss everything from how it works to the different ways it can be used, so you can make an informed decision for your health and your skin. First, let's understand what glutathione actually is. It's often called the master antioxidant for a very good reason. Glutathione is a small molecule, a tripeptide, made up of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glycine, and glutamic acid. Your body produces it naturally, primarily in the liver, and it's present in virtually every cell. Its main job is to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and various health problems. Think of it as your body's primary cellular defender, neutralizing toxins and keeping your internal systems running smoothly. Its role extends far beyond just skin. Glutathione is crucial for a strong immune system, efficient energy metabolism, and the detoxification of harmful substances, including heavy metals. So how does this powerful antioxidant translate to brighter skin? The science is fascinating. Our skin color is determined by a pigment called melanin. There are 2 main types of melanin: eumelanin, which is black-brown, and pheomelanin, which is reddish-yellow. People with darker skin tones have a higher concentration of eumelanin. Glutathione has been shown to influence this process in a key way. It's believed to inhibit an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is essential for producing melanin. By slowing down tyrosinase, it reduces the overall production of melanin. But that's not all. It also appears to encourage the production of the lighter pheomelanin over the darker eumelanin. This dual action, reducing total melanin and shifting the type of melanin produced, is what leads to a gradual brightening of the skin tone. It doesn't bleach your skin. Rather, it works from within to create a lighter, more radiant complexion over time. This brings us to the various ways people use glutathione for skin whitening. There are 3 main methods: topical application, oral supplements, and intravenous or 4 injections. Each has its own set of pros and cons, and it's crucial to understand the differences. Topical glutathione, found in creams and serums, works on the surface of the skin. It can help improve texture and reduce localized hyperpigmentation like dark spots. However, the glutathione molecule is relatively large, which can make it difficult for it to penetrate deep into the skin where melanin is produced. Therefore, its effects on overall skin tone are generally limited and subtle. Next, we have oral supplements, such as pills and capsules. This is a very popular method. The idea is to increase your body's overall glutathione levels from the inside out. When taken orally, glutathione is broken down by enzymes in your digestive system. While some of it is absorbed, its bioavailability, the amount that actually enters your bloodstream, can be low. For this reason, results from oral supplements are typically slow and gradual. They are generally considered much safer than injections, but they require patience and consistency. Some supplements combine glutathione with precursors like N-acetylcysteine or NAC, which can help your body produce more of its own glutathione, potentially enhancing the effects. Finally, we have intravenous glutathione, or 4 drips. This method delivers glutathione directly into your bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system entirely. This means you get 100% bioavailability, leading to a much faster and more dramatic increase in your body's glutathione levels. Because of this, 4 administration is often seen as the most effective method for achieving significant skin brightening. However, it's also by far the riskiest. The practice of using high-dose 4-glutathione for skin whitening is not approved by regulatory bodies like the FDA in the United States. These treatments are often administered in unregulated settings without proper medical oversight, which poses serious health risks. Let's talk specifically about the safety profile and the risks involved, particularly with 4 injections. While glutathione itself is a natural and essential substance, administering it in high doses intravenously can have significant side effects. Some of the documented risks include severe allergic reactions, which can lead to anaphylactic shock. There have also been reports of kidney and liver dysfunction, as well as thyroid issues. The long-term effects of repeatedly receiving high-dose 4-glutathione are still largely unknown, as there haven't been large-scale, long-term clinical trials for this specific purpose. The lack of regulation also means there's no standard for dosage, purity, or frequency of treatment, which further increases the potential for harm. You might be getting inconsistent, contaminated, or dangerously high doses without even knowing it. In contrast, oral and topical forms of glutathione are considered much safer. The most common side effects from oral supplements are mild gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating or cramps, especially at higher doses. Topical products may cause minor skin irritation in some individuals. These methods work more slowly and provide a gentler, more gradual effect, which aligns better with the body's natural processes. They support your body's antioxidant system without overwhelming it with a sudden, massive dose. Now let's manage some expectations versus reality. One of the biggest myths is that glutathione offers instant or permanent skin whitening. This is simply not true. Regardless of the method you choose, achieving visible results takes time and consistency. With oral supplements or topical creams, you may need several months of daily use before you notice a change. Even with 4 treatments, it can take multiple sessions over weeks or months. Furthermore, the results are not permanent. Once you stop the treatment, your body will eventually revert to its natural melanin production, and your original skin tone will return. Maintaining the results requires continuous, long-term use. To truly maximize any potential benefits from glutathione, you cannot ignore other crucial factors. The single most important thing you can do is protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure stimulates melanin production, which will counteract any brightening effects from glutathione. Daily use of a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF is non-negotiable. A healthy lifestyle also plays a huge role. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables provides other antioxidants that support glutathione's function. Staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and managing stress are all essential for healthy, radiant skin. Glutathione is not a magic bullet, it's a piece of a much larger puzzle. Beyond skin whitening, it's important to remember glutathione's core benefits for overall health. As the body's master antioxidant, it plays a vital role in detoxifying the liver, helping to remove heavy metals and other toxins. It supports immune function, helping your body fight off infections. It's also involved in cellular repair and energy production. So by supporting your glutathione levels through a healthy diet or safe supplementation, you're not just aiming for brighter skin, you're investing in your overall well-being. Foods rich in sulfur, like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, can help your body produce its own glutathione. So what is the final verdict? Glutathione is a powerful and essential antioxidant with a scientifically plausible mechanism for skin brightening. However, the pursuit of lighter skin through high-dose 4 injections comes with significant and potentially severe health risks that, in my professional opinion, are not worth taking, especially given the lack of regulation and long-term safety data. If you are interested in the potential skin benefits of glutathione, the safer approach is to focus on topical products and oral supplements, combined with diligent sun protection and a healthy lifestyle. Remember to be patient, as results will be gradual. Most importantly, before starting any new supplement or treatment regimen, especially one involving glutathione, it is absolutely essential to consult with a board-certified dermatologist. A qualified doctor can assess your skin, discuss your goals, review your medical history, and help you create a safe and effective plan that is right for you. They can also help you distinguish between evidence-based treatments and unsubstantiated claims. Your health should always be the top priority. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this detailed breakdown has helped clarify the science, benefits, and risks of using glutathione for skin brightening. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more evidence-based content. Stay safe, stay informed, and take care.